In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer testimonials on Shopify. Customer testimonials can be a powerful tool to build trust and engage potential buyers. And today, together, we're going to look at how you can effectively add them to your Shopify store using Elf Site apps. Let's get started. First, we'll start by navigating to Elf Site apps, an excellent platform offering over 90 website widgets designed to grow your business. Once you're on the Elf Site homepage, the next step is clicking on the Login button. If you're new to Elf Site, you might need to sign up first, so make sure to click on Sign Up to create your account. For convenience, you can choose to continue the sign up process using a Google account. Once you've chosen a relevant Google account, simply click Continue and allow Elf Site access if prompted. With your Elf Site account ready, type Testimonials slider into the search bar at the top of the page. Here you will see various widgets that you can add to your website, including the Testimonials slider, which is trending now. This tool will help you showcase customer feedback in a visually appealing manner. Choose the Testimonials slider by clicking on it and you'll see a variety of template options. Take your time to browse through these and select the one that best fits your store's aesthetic or your personal taste. Once you've found a template you like, click on Continue with this template. Now comes the exciting part where you can let your creativity shine. You'll be able to edit the content, including the text and any other elements, to make sure the testimonials reflect your actual customer feedback. You can also adjust styles and settings to ensure that it meshes well with the rest of your web design. Don't forget to experiment with the highlight feature to make certain testimonials stand out more prominently. After customizing the testimonials to your satisfaction, the next step is to click on Publish. Here you have the option to go for a free plan, so click on Select to finalize your subscription. You'll then receive a code which you should copy. This code is how we'll integrate the widget into your Shopify page. Now, let's head over to your Shopify admin page. Once there, navigate to the online store section and click on Pages. From the list of pages, select the one where you'd like the testimonials to appear. Afterward, click on the HTML icon in the text editor. This is where you'll be pasting your Elf Site widget code. Simply paste the code and then click Save. With your page updated, you can view it to ensure everything looks right. Click on View Page to see your newly added testimonials live on your site. And there you have it, in a beautifully integrated testimonial section on your Shopify store, ready to showcase the positive reviews your customers have shared and help build trust with potential buyers. Thank you for watching and happy selling.